Can the Meta Ray-Ban displays actually take over your phone? Well, with this new update, it's getting closer and closer to that. Let's talk about it. All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're going to talk about this update that came to the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. It's changing the game, the way we use our glasses and our phones. And also, I'm going to talk about this accessory I think is essential if you have the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. All right, so let's kick right into it. What was the features that they came out with? Right off the top, they came out with Instagram Reels that you could scroll. Before, they did have Instagram. It was on there, but the way they implemented it when it first came out, it really was only like a messenger where if somebody messaged you through Instagram, you could see those messages. And if they sent something through Instagram, you can see that too. Now what they did was added to the ability to scroll your Instagram Reels. It's like scrolling YouTube Shorts, but for Instagram. It's like a TikTok. Y'all guys know what I mean. I wasn't a big fan of Instagram. I just didn't go on Instagram a lot. I hop on there, hop off. I wasn't one of those people that go to Instagram a lot. But now, and especially if I'm just a passenger in the car or I'm in line in a store, what do? Scroll Instagram Reels. You'll find yourself time will go by like that. Just scrolling Instagram Reels without pulling out your phone. Nobody can see what you're looking at, and you're just scrolling Instagram Reels, and it's great. Especially if you like in a doctor's office or something like that, and you don't want to pull out your phone, you can absolutely scroll Instagram Reels, and it works surprisingly great. You can see it clearly in everything. Full color, and it's clear, and it's scrolling your Instagram Reels. It's just right there off to the side, so it's good. I love the fact that you can do that with these Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. Now, the second thing they came out with was the ability to look at your calendar. I can look at my regular Gmail calendar, and I can look at my Outlook calendar. For me, and for people that put a lot of stuff inside your calendar, this is a game changer. Now I don't have to hit my phone and I got an appointment coming up or something that's in my calendar. It pops up. I can click on that and I can see that. Or I can go and see what's on my calendar for today, for the week. It doesn't matter. My calendar is inside my glasses. That's why I'm saying these glasses are becoming more of a phone than just regular Ray-Ban glasses. These Ray-Ban display glasses are becoming, what we want inside of glasses. Not just the ability to take pictures, but I want to be able to do what my phone can do. And these glasses are starting to do that. So the ability to go on my calendar, to see what's in my calendar, I can tell Meta AI to put something in my calendar without even touching my phone. That right there, my friend, is a winner chicken dinner. Now, for the music part. Now the glasses allow you to look at your playlist inside of Spotify. Before, you could just tell it what playlist you wanted to play, and it'll play that. Now, you can click inside of Spotify, and you can play your playlist. You can scroll till you find the one that you want, and then click that, boom, it's going to start to play. I like the fact that you could go into Spotify, but I hated the fact that you could not see your playlist. You couldn't pick anything. You had to tell it which playlist. And sometimes I make a playlist, I just put a name there. I don't really remember that name that I put in there. I don't know. This way, now I can go inside, look at that playlist and go, oh yeah, that's the playlist I want to play. Hit that, boom, it is playing. That update that allows you to do that, that was great. So kudos for them for making that available to us with the Meta Ray-Ban display. Another thing they have, I know, right? It's a lot of things in this update. Another thing they have, they added 2 more games. One is called GOAT and the other one is called 2048. And I know what y'all saying, like playing games in the glasses. But listen, when you got these glasses on, and like I said, you somewhere, or you just got some time to kill, or you are in line somewhere, or you waiting in an office somewhere, and you want to just play something on your glasses without taking out your phone, This is perfect. The GOAT one, I spent 30 minutes or more playing that because it's like this endless jump. Like you got to keep jumping up, the higher you go. And that game right there just sucked me in. The audio seems spatial. The graphics are good for glasses, playing a game, and I can still see my environment. It's like MR, mixed reality. The game is here, and I'm using my wristband to move the character. He's just jumping. And next thing you know, 30 minutes pass. It's my time. I got to go. So that's what I like about that. And the other one is called 2048. And that's a game that I was like, I'm never going to play that because that's kind of like a Sudoku type thing. But listen, that game right there had me figuring it out, using your brain. Like, okay, I need to move this. I need to make this. Because you got to add these things up. Find your way to make sure you can keep adding them in. You got to play it. And when you start playing it, you find yourself getting sucked into these little games that you're playing with the wristband that's on your wrist. All this stuff inside the update. I didn't even mention the stuff that you can already do, like the teleprompter. Way that you can use your glasses as a viewfinder when you're taking pictures and taking videos. The fact that you can write your messages back instead of just saying them out loud. I switched my phone for a little while. I'm testing out this phone. Watch out for that review. I'm testing out this phone, which is an Android phone. And when you connect your Android phone to these glasses, it's opened up a whole nother thing with text messaging. Now I can scroll through all my text messages, send those back now. Before, I could reply back to my iPhone, but I couldn't really scroll through them. Now I can do that with no problem. These glasses are just becoming more of a phone than just a novelty glass that you can wear to take pictures or listen to music. The Meta Ray-Ban display with this update is becoming more of a phone than it is just having regular glasses. I want to show you guys something. This little tiny thing right here. This accessory changes it for me. Let me show you why. Before, charging this band, charging the glasses, everything was separate. I had to plug this up with the cord that comes with this, and then I had to put this inside the case, which is not a big deal because I love this case right here. I take it every time when we go places. It just collapses. It's great. But charging it like that, sometimes people like, I don't want to do all that. Now what I have is this little charging dock right here. It's a 2-in-1 charging dock, which I love this little thing. Now I could put this on my desk. This right here clips right to it, magnetized to it, really strong magnet. I don't have to worry about if it's charging or not. It is there. And this right here just clips onto this. And then y'all see this? And that right there is really good. Just to clip it right on there. And you'll see how the band goes on right here. That's good. Just one shot thing. Just a one shot. So with this charging dock, I don't have to worry about putting it in the case and putting it on the cord. I got one thing. Everything fits right here in this case right here. This thing right here is just changing it for me. This little 2-in-1 charging case is great. If you have the Meta Ray-Ban displays, you got to get it. If you got the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, you need a charging dock. This one right here works. I will leave a link in the description for this charging dock. It's a no-brainer right there. So I just want to tell you guys some things about the Meta Ray-Ban displays, let you know how good it is getting. And it hasn't even been out a year yet. You gotta understand, like, these glasses just came out. Just only had like 2-3 updates on it. It's already got so many features that's in these glasses. And unlike all the other stuff that Meta's shutting down, these glasses is what they're putting a lot of money into it. I see a lot of features coming to these glasses in the future. If you could be so kind, hit that like button right there. YouTube loves it. Help pushes the video. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.